Hi friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to paint realistic whiskers on a mountain lion. Now this is a detail that can really bring your wildlife paintings to life, and my go-to is to use these acrylic pens. They are compatible with acrylic painting. This one happens to be by Posca, and they come in different size tips. I like to use the extra fine, especially when applying to a painting this size. If you're an oil painter, no worries. These types of pens also come oil-based and are completely compatible with oil paintings. Now the brand I use is called Pen Touch, but you may have different brands where you live and you'll have to check out your own art store, but I will leave the link below in case this is something you want to check out too. As you can see, I like to start from the base of the whisker and then draw outward, following the natural direction and curve of the whiskers. Keep your hand light and confident. This is one of those steps where less is more. I decided to use several different colors, black, white, and blue. I wanted there to be a variety in the color of the whiskers. And one thing really nice about this being acrylic is that it dries right away. And if I do think this white is a little bright, I can just glaze it back with some acrylic paint. I will have links below the video to both the acrylic-based markers and the oil-based markers in case you want to check them out. I hope this video helped you and you'll have more confidence in applying whiskers to your own animal paintings. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more wildlife painting tips and techniques. Bye everyone!